Whenever childhood memories come to mind, the warmth of grandparents' laps, the sweet stories they tell, and their unconditional affection are often the first things we remember. The relationship between grandparents and grandchildren is one of the most beautiful and precious bonds in the world. In today's fast-paced life, where parents are often busy with work and responsibilities, grandparents act as a comforting shade of peace and endless love for children. What makes this relationship special? Unconditional love. While parents may sometimes put pressure on children regarding studies or discipline, grandparents' love is completely different. They happily forgive every little stubbornness and mischief of children, offering only affection. The magic of stories. Listening to fairy tales and bedtime stories from grandmothers or grandfathers is the most cherished time for children. Through these stories, children naturally learn values, good habits, and family connections without feeling like they are sitting through a lecture. The best friends. Many children hesitate to share their feelings with their parents, but they can open up completely in front of their grandparents, sharing their joys and sorrows. Grandparents act as their truest friends, listening to them without any judgment. Connection to roots. Elders are the foundation of a home. When children spend time with their grandparents, they learn about family traditions, culture, and heritage. This creates a deep sense of belonging and responsibility in children. This bond between grandparents and grandchildren is vital for both sides. While children feel immense love and security, elders find a renewed spark of life and joy in the innocence and smiles of the grandchildren.